What should I say?
It's your show. I don't know. Say whatever you want to say.
Oh, hi. Hold on, let me think about it.
Oh my god.
Press stop. Well, you got everything recording right now?
Yes.
Welcome back to Seri Cooks. I know it's been a while. I apologize. I know that you guys are still subscribing, so I figure I'd put out a video, just a little quick one. We're gonna start cooking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make kroeung, which is the essential Cambodian ingredient that you can put in all your soups, your stews, your stir fries. Kroeung is a very easy Cambodian dish to make. I'll show you these ingredients. You got your guajillo chili pads, which is not Cambodian. You got some kaffir lime leaves, turmeric, lemongrass, and galangal. So we're gonna mash all this up together, and it's gonna create this paste that you can put in all your stews, your soups. You can use it to marinate meat. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we are gonna pound our ingredients now. You really wanna stay away from food processors. If you got one of these at home, this is a pestle and mortar. You're gonna pound all your ingredients so you can extract all the flavors out of it. So as you can see, I'm on the floor pounding it because if you put it on your counter, it's gonna make a lot of noise and the whole house is gonna vibrate. Also, I've got some back support here. So if you're suffering from lower back pain like me, this is gonna help you a lot. Get your lemongrass that we cut up. And we have all our other ingredients here. So just take a little handful. You don't wanna overcrowd. So I'm just gonna start out with a little bit. And then we are gonna go to Pound Town. If your neighbors knock on your door, just tell them that you're making kroeung. And I'm sure they will all understand. See, a food processor is not gonna be able to give you flavor like this because it kind of just cuts, right? You really want to get into the fiber of all your ingredients. Kind of blend them all in. So to make pounding a little bit easier, you're just gonna drizzle a little bit of salt, not too much. Salt's gonna help to grind it down, making a smoother paste. So when you got a nice little bit of paste there, you're just gonna transfer it to a bowl on the side and then kind of start over. So this is what you want your kroeung to kind of look like. A word of caution, when you're pounding this hard, every once in a while you're gonna get a piece that flies into your eye. So you're gonna need some safety goggles. Once it gets in your eye, it could probably sting. And I've had it happen before. I think it's been like 2.5 years since I made a video. And all my friends have been asking, like, when are you gonna make another video? When is Seri Cooks coming back? It's kind of one of those things where you get like super lazy and just like don't want to do anything. But I'm really inspired by like Cambodian chefs on Instagram, just honestly regular Cambodian cooks who are just showcasing all the food that they do. I just think it's important to share Cambodian cooking however we can. You don't gotta be a chef. You don't have to have a restaurant or anything like that, but just honest home cooking. I think it's really important that we continue to have that dialogue about the food and the culture. I know as a first generation Cambodian American, like our moms and our dads are all getting older, and there's not a lot of cookbooks on Cambodian cooking, like how else are we gonna pass this knowledge down? So, just having YouTube channels, or Instagram posts, kind of keeping the story alive. I think it's really important. So, that's honestly the reason why I wanted to make Cambodian cooking videos, is to kind of share what I know. And I'm not the greatest cook in the world, but I'm trying to learn as much as I can. And, hopefully I can take you on this journey with me. And we can all enjoy Cambodian cooking together. Look at that. Look how vibrant that color is. Can you see that? That's what you're looking for. See how rich that color is? I think kroeung is that one ingredient that
really defines Cambodian cooking. I don't believe there's another flavor as unique as this in other cooking. Like when you smell this, you know it's Cambodian food. Okay, now we got all your kroeung pounded. Look how vibrant it is, y'all. It's gonna be delicious. So now that we made our kroeung, you can freeze it if you have some left over, and you can use it for the future. I mean, it'll last in your freezer for a good while. I had it in there for like 6 months before, and when I thawed it, it was still delicious. So, like I said, y'all can use this in a bunch of recipes. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually gonna show y'all how to use it. I'm gonna make a salmon chu kroeung video, which is one of my favorite stews. So hope y'all like this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Peace.